In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're ready to tackle another DIY project. So in today's DIY, I'm going to be DIYing a blank canvas tote, and I'm going to be using some puff vinyl to create a really fun and bright beach tote. And I'm also going to be using some neon pink paracord that I've had in my craft stash. So if you want to see how this beach tote turns out, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I thought it would be cute to give the handles a little bit of texture and make it look different. So I'm just adding some hot glue, and then I'm spacing out the cord and wrapping it around so it's flat, and then adhering it to the bag. Then I just continue to follow the same process until both of the handles are completely covered with the pink cord. So then after I get the handles completed, then I measure how big I want the text to be on the front. And so now it's time to pull out the Cricut so that I can go ahead and get this vinyl printed. And so here I am in Design Space, just kind of playing with the font and playing with the size to see exactly how I want the words to look. So here I am just still playing with the font, trying to make sure that I get a good font that's going to really let you see the puffiness of the vinyl. then I load the materials to be cut. Y'all comment below if y'all have any tips on ways to get your mat back sticky. Here I am just using tape. I've tried a few different ways that I've tried to research. I tried using baby wipes, but I still haven't found anything that really actually works. And here I am just transferring and weeding out the letters. And so this is my first time actually using puff vinyl, so I wasn't really sure exactly how it was going to turn out. But I'm using my household iron for this, and I'm using it on the cotton linen setting. And so I'm just trying to make sure that I add pressure to it and make sure that it completely adheres to the bag. And so I noticed that the puff vinyl that I purchased, it looks more like a chenille texture versus I wanted more of just like a even puff. So I don't know if it's something that I did with the heating process. I still like how it ultimately turned out with the texture that it gives because it's still raised. I just expected something else different. So I will probably try another puff vinyl brand in the future to see if I get a different result. Thanks very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see what I'm crafting next.